Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iPhone iOS 16 or later, and that Shortcuts is installed. This matters because newer actions appear only there. Next, make sure the app you want a shortcut is present on the device, and decide the precise action, open a screen, trigger a URL, or run a specific intent. Once done, open Shortcuts, tap the plus button to create a new shortcut, and choose Add Action. This first action anchors everything that follows, so pick deliberately. You now assemble the workflow by searching actions. Use app actions for native features, scripting for control flow, and URL for deep links. Connect actions by tapping the plus sign between steps and pass data with variables or provided input. This is how one action feeds the next. Once the sequence looks right, press play to test it on screen, and add show result or quick look to reveal outputs. That helps you understand why a step failed or succeeded before you finalize. Finish by naming the shortcut, customizing its icon, and selecting details, then add to home screen so you can tap it like an app. Icons make recognition instant. For direct launch behavior, prefer open app or a URL scheme if the app supports it, and save the shortcut. If something goes wrong, first check permissions, then verify the app supports the action or X callback URL, and replay each step to isolate failures, making one small change. Then retesting usually exposes the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.